Crude oil today again traded in a narrow range, hitting the highs at 72.8. We have seen oil now taking the support from my favorite 71.4, 71.6 level. See the lows here, 71.6, proving out to be great support. And I have mentioned several times that this is going to be a good support zone. While natural gas beautifully has again traded bullish and hit the highs at 4.285 levels. So, what to expect now from crude oil and net gas with the US session? Can we expect the bullishness to prevail here? Can we expect higher highs in net gas and can we expect oil to also break beyond 74? Or else the bears are back in action after a good bull run. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and gas? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Oil on the hourly chart, see it is moved towards 71.6, and we know that 71.6, 71.4 is a very good support zone. So now if you see it is staying below 71.6, then you can take a selling entry. Else what is happening, see, also notice it is delivering lower highs and lower lows. So now 72.2 and 72.6 is the zone it needs to break. Beyond this, you should treat this as reversal. As long as 72.2 and 72.6 is not taken, do not treat oil as bullish. See, on the hourly charts, moving averages are now on the verge of a crossover. This is a slight bearish sign. But look at the stochastic. This is trading extremely oversold. The MACD is also trading with extreme divergence. If you consider the waves, it suggests that possibly oil might reverse and deliver the bullish part of this wave. RSI sitting at the bottom here. Coming to on the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Series of bearish candles are seen, and now it is already achieved lower highs, and this is also an expanding triangle. And thus, once it trades below 71.6, you can expect it to move towards 71.4. And if 71.4 is taken, we are looking forward to 71 and 70.8 levels. But also notice the moving averages after the bullish crossover are still staying with the divergence and bullishness. And the next thing to note here is it was trading in this retracement channel. Now it has come out of this channel, which is not a good sign for the crude oil. Though when you talk about the daily or weekly charts, I still say that there is not much of potential available for crude oil in the near term. Stochastic oversold, which calls for a recovery. The MACD is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped sharp here as well. On the 3 hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. After a series of bearish candle, it is trying to reverse, but I will wait for it to trade now beyond 72.2 and 72.5, 72.6. If these two levels are taken, you can expect a reversal all the way towards 73, 73.2. Else right now it is trading with moderate bearishness. Stochastic here is oversold. The MACD trading with divergence, looking bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, what has happened? Rise retracement, rise retracement. It has shown a reversal sign, and that is what we had discussed earlier in the day, that it is showing a reversal sign. What has happened? We have seen the bearishness prevailing here. Though right now it is forming a double top, it means that once it trades below 71.4, 71.5, we can see a greater correction here. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness. It is just 2 candles away from this crossover, which suggests the bearishness might prevail here. The RSI has dropped. Coming to daily charts, see on the daily charts what has happened. Yesterday's candle with higher highs, so today it is trying to create lower lows, which means I do not see it breaking. In fact, even if it drops, I do not see it breaking below 71 or 70.8 levels, at least today. But yes, if it does, it is a bearish crash which is going to be seen in crude oil here. Notice in the near term, crude oil is trading in this bearish channel after this bigger decline, and hence now it is very critical for crude oil to break beyond 72.6 levels and then 73.2, 73.4 zone. If these two are taken, then you can stay bullish for 74 plus levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is retraced. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, which is a very good supportive sign for the bulls, and the RSI running flat. So before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the channel and video description. So now, first thing is where to buy. If you want to learn, if you want to buy I will recommend you to buy here at 72.25 levels. If you see the oil price is now trading above 72.2, 72.25, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 72.5, 76. The first target zone 73 second and 73.4 third. If these three levels are taken, close your eyes, stay bullish for 74.1 and 75 levels as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling only below 71 point. See, now 71.4, 71.6 is indeed a very good support. So you can sell here at 71.4 itself, but then 71, 70.8 should be a very, very extremely strong support. And below 70.8 is where the bears will take over all the way towards 71.4, 70.4, 70.2. And if that is taken, you can just stay short from there. We can expect a greater price correction. Though I do not expect this to happen, but yes, these are markets. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, natural gas today, what it is doing, it is delivering lower highs, so it can also move towards lower lows. Where are the lows of the channel? Now towards 3.94, 3.9 zone. Also notice after the drop, it has retest, it has now come down to take the support. And now on the downside, remember one fact that now 4.14, 4.1, 4.08 till 4.08, it is 4.1, 4.08 should be a very strong support here for natural gas. Below 4.08, I think the looking back will be difficult here. Moving averages are bullish here. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD, if you see, it has crossed over. It is trading in green. It is trying to converge, not yet crossing over. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Look at the two. On the 2 hour chart, so what's happening? Bearishness here, rise, consolidation, rise, and now it is trying to erase some of the gains. What worst it can do? It can try to break below this zone. And thus, once you see it is staying below 4.1, you can take a selling entry. 4.1, 4.08 should be an extremely good support. Below this, you can expect 4.054 and then 3.94 level. 3.94 and an extremely strong support here on the downside. Moving averages trading with divergence and bullishness. Though the stochastic has dropped, the MACD also is right now trading with bearishness. It has tried to converge, failing to cross over, again trying to trade bearish. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Look at the 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, notice one important point. This could become the reversal sign. This is the first bearish candle, and the second one is in making, which suggests it can possibly move towards 4.1514 or in fact 4.1 levels. Below that, a strong correction could be seen. Look at the channel here. This is a bearish channel, and the lows here are far below towards 3.94. And that is why I say at least till 3.94, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic trying to cool down from the overbought zone. The MACD is trading with divergence. The MACD is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is sitting near to the top. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, similar observations. A series of bearish candles have bounced back and now delivering lower highs. It is trying to erase the gains. Possibility is there that we may see 3.94 levels now in this chart. Yes, the stochastic has room for further rise, but the look at the MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, more bearishness here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. So it appears, looking at the charts and indicators, that natural gas is showing some bearish intent, and thus on the upside you need to be trading with caution. So considering this, what I'll do, I will recommend first a buying entry is above 4.22, expect 4.25. If 4.25 is taken, you can just stay bullish from there. We can look forward to 4. See 4.25, beyond that 4.32, 4.4 level should be there. On the downside now, it is very, very important for it to break below this zone 4.1, 4.08. If these two levels are taken, more bearishness should prevail. Look at the MACD. This is crossed over for the sell. It is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is staying at the top. Coming to daily charts, what it has done, it has formed the wick here. Lower highs are also seen, so possibility of a reversal cannot be denied, which suggests it has a strong probability of a move towards $4 levels, and in fact lower is possible. Though the stochastic is overbought, the MACD is also trading with extreme bullishness, which calls for it to converge. The RSI is now at a comfortable zone. So considering this, what I'll at 4.22 levels, expect 4.2526 first target zone, 4.1 the next, or 4.3 the next, and then we can expect it to move all the way towards 4.4 levels. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 4.14 levels, expected to move towards 4.1, 4.08. This is going to be a prime support zone here on the downside. Once it trades below 4.1, 4.0508 levels, you can expect more correction towards 4.044. And if $4 levels is taken, then stay short for 3.9. While on the upside, I've already mentioned the levels here towards 4.22, you can initiate a buy. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow.